Hi, I'm Bob Fralicker, Strategic Marketing Manager with ABB Installation Products. I'm here to give you an overview of our newly enhanced Power Connections program. The new 2024 ABB Power Connections Loyalty Program gives distributor partners the opportunity to benefit even more through their commitment to our Power Connections product lines. Whether you're a sales rep or a channel partner, this short video will lay out the features, benefits, and resources available to you. Based on channel partner feedback, this year we are introducing a point-based system. This will give greater flexibility to support end customers. Channel partners can earn points through sales growth in the Power Connections portfolio, as well as through customer engagement activities using our continuing education training courses and the Mobile Solutions vehicle customer visits. As a reminder, the Power Connections product portfolio consists of color-keyed compression lugs, Blackburn mechanical lugs, Blackburn compression grounding products, Sta-Kon wire termination products, our full range of application tooling, shrink-on heat shrink tubing, and EasyCode wire identification products. We've developed fantastic resources to assist our team in raising awareness of the benefits and resources available within the Power Connections Loyalty Program. At the front of it all is our robust web portal, the home for everything you need for successful implementation of the Power Connections program. Our entire program binder is available for download on the portal, as well as a simple registration link channel partners can use to register. The portal provides easy access to information about and making requests for the Mobile Solutions truck and our continuing education program. Channel partners can earn 500 points per CEU session held and 1,000 points per Mobile Solutions truck and customer visit. Points earned can be used to order tools from our application tooling catalog, allowing you to support your customers' needs in a wide variety of ways. Additional training opportunities are available to our channel partners via the ABB My Learning training site. Our Power Connections Proficiency Badge allows users to go through 10 courses online and gain expert-level knowledge of the Power Connections portfolio. Additional benefits of the 2024 Power Connections program include exclusive promotions, preferential scheduling of our Mobile Solutions truck visits, specialized technical support services, and the ability to redeem points from a large catalog of application tools and dies. For more information on the Power Connections program, please visit our website or reach out to your local ABB sales rep.